A handful of pink salt rubbed on your skin for 45 minutes. The raw material cost, 14 cents. The bill at checkout, $180. That is a markup of over 1,000 times. And the spa industry does this millions of times a year, completely in the open, because the packaging around those 14 cents is almost perfectly designed. Here's how the math actually works. Himalayan pink salt sells wholesale for roughly $2 to $3 per kilogram. A single body scrub treatment uses maybe 40 to 60 grams of salt. Do the arithmetic, and you land somewhere between 8 and 14 cents of raw material per session. The oil they mix it with, a splash of sweet almond or coconut, adds maybe another 20 cents on a generous day. Total material cost for the thing on the menu, well, under 50 cents. So, where does the $180 go? The spa industry has a remarkably clean answer to that question, and they rehearse it constantly. You're not paying for salt, you're paying for the experience, the heated table, the ambient music, the therapist's hands, the cucumber water in the waiting room. And that framing is not entirely dishonest. Labor and overhead are real, but follow the numbers a little further, and the story gets more interesting. A trained therapist performing back-to-back scrub treatments can see 4 to 5 clients in a single shift. At $180 a session, that's $720 to $900 of revenue generated per therapist per day. The therapist themselves typically takes home somewhere between 12 and 18% of that in commission. Call it $130 on a good day. The rest flows upward. Rent, supplies, marketing, and margin. Mostly margin. The salt itself is doing a specific job in this equation, and it is not exfoliation, it is justification. Pink Himalayan salt has been marketed so effectively over the last 2 decades that it now carries an automatic association with purity, ancient minerals, wellness, luxury. It sounds expensive. It photographs beautifully. It gives the spa something tangible to put on the menu card next to the price. Without that pink crystal sitting in a little dish, the menu just says, "We will rub your back." With it, the menu says, "Ancient Himalayan ritual." This is a well-understood retail phenomenon called ingredient marketing. The product is not the ingredient is the story. Brands do the same thing with activated charcoal, collagen, gold flakes, and snake venom peptides. The actual concentration in the final product is almost always cosmetically irrelevant. What matters is that the ingredient appears on the label or the menu, triggers a premium association in the customer's mind, and justifies a price that the product could never hold on its own. The catch is that pink Himalayan salt has no scientifically verified benefit over regular sea salt or kosher salt as an exfoliant. Both remove dead skin cells through basic physical abrasion. Both dissolve in contact with moisture. Studies looking for the mythologized 84 minerals in Himalayan salt consistently find them in quantities too trace to affect human skin in a 45-minute session. The pink color comes from iron oxide. It is rust, cosmetically harmless and cosmetically irrelevant. Here's what they don't tell you. A 1 kilogram bag of food-grade Himalayan pink salt, enough for roughly 20 full-body scrubs, costs between $4 and $7 at a grocery or bulk food store. Mixed with a tablespoon of olive oil and a few drops of whatever essential oil you like, you have a product that is chemically indistinguishable from what a spa charges $180 to apply. The physical result on your skin will be the same. The ambient music is a Spotify playlist. The counter move here is not complicated. If you use body scrubs regularly, buying the raw material and mixing it yourself costs roughly 30 to 40 cents per session. versus $180. That is not a rounding error. That is 450 times cheaper for the same abrasive chemistry. If you want the spa atmosphere, the table, the therapist, the genuine relaxation of having someone else do the work, that service has real value. Pay for it knowingly. Just understand, you are not paying for ancient minerals. You are paying 14 cents for the salt and $179.86 for the story around it.